Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Kevin. So last week we had incorporated in one of the videos some spaghetti sauce, and I was going to show you what I was going to do with that spaghetti sauce. Unfortunately, both Kelly and I ended up sick last week, but it's Thursday again. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook up some of that spaghetti sauce again, and then I'm going to bring you back and show you what we're going to do with that spaghetti sauce. Stay tuned. Okay, hamburger's all cooked up. I've got all the ingredients mixed, ready for the spaghetti sauce to cook. And then we will bring you back soon. So this is what I have in the pot on the stove. Any guesses of what we're making?
No.
Okay, so the spaghetti sauce is all done. Now, just wait to see what I'm going to do with it. All right. So we're at that moment. Everybody's going to find out what I'm actually cooking. Has anybody guessed? I got lasagna noodles, spaghetti sauce, cheese. That's right. And I have the pressure cooker here. We're going to make pressure cooker lasagna. First time doing it. I'm not guaranteeing how it's going to turn out. So what we're going to do is obviously start with meat sauce, a little bit on the bottom. You just kind of want to coat that bottom of the pan. And the other thing too is I didn't have like pan, so I greased the bottom with some olive oil. Okay, so now we're going to layer in our lasagna noodles. I just kind of have to get a rough idea. Okay, so what I've done with cheese is I got some mozzarella, cheddar, and some Parmesan. Mixed it all up. All right. So that is it. It is ready to go into the pressure cooker. And when we're done, I'll bring you back. Okay, so there is lasagna out of the pressure cooker. Yes, it looks a little baked. That's because we put it in the oven under the broiler to crispen up the cheese. So just give us a few minutes to cut some pieces, put it on the plate.
You're gonna cut the cheese!
So there you go. There's what it looks like on the plate. We're gonna take a bite of this. See how it tastes. It's delicious. So there you go. That is Cooking with Kevin this week. Our pressure cooker lasagna turned out really good. Tastes great. Okay, thanks a lot. See everybody next week.